Okay, so let's add a short answer type question to our worksheet. So we're going to go across and we're going to add question, and a new question comes up. But instead of being multiple choice this time, we are going to select short answer. We're going to look at a short answer type question. Now, short answer means that they don't have any options to choose from. They're going to have to type in their answer, and the answer is not going to be a long paragraph or essay. It's just going to be a single word or maybe a sentence or something like that. All right, so going with our math way or math theme, let us put a question in that we would want students to answer, give their own answer. All right, so let's go. What is the HCF of 32 and 96? So that's the question. What's the highest common factor of 32 and 96? So we could have given this as a multiple choice, but we've decided no, we want the children to work it out and write the answer. Now, is there a way for Google Forms to mark this kind of question? Yes, if you're careful and think about how it is. So let's go to the answer key here, and we are going to say the answer to that question is 32. So we put here 32, and I'm going to, if the child doesn't put 32, I'm going to mark all other answers incorrect. So there it goes. All right, and I'm going to say I'm going to give that maybe 2 points, and I click done. There you go. Do I want this to be required? Yes, the students must do that question. That is how we have a simple short answer question. But I want to add a second short answer to show you something else. All right, so let's add another question, another short answer question, and let's put this question in. Express 50% as a ratio, sorry, in its simplest. In its simplest, take that out, simplest form. So that's the question. Express 50% as a ratio in its simplest form. And we know the answer for, and it's not going to be multiple choice. We want it to be a short answer question where they are going to type in the answer. Now the answer for that is 1 to 2. But so we're going to put in the answer, but I'm going to show you a little trick in trying to get most of the things marked correctly. So a child could actually type that answer in several ways. The child could type 1 space 2, right? 1 space colon space 2, or the child could type 1 colon 2. And both of these, you would probably accept them as correct. So you want to add both answers in, because if they only type the one with the space in between, the Google Forms would not recognize this as being correct. So what you should do is really put the several options that you have. So if the child types with the space in between, it will recognize it to be correct. Or if they type it without the space, then it will also be correct. All right. And then you're going to mark all on other answers is incorrect. This question, I'm also going to give 2 points for that. And then I'm going to click done. All right. So if you look where it says correct answers now, you're going to see it has both the 2 ratio, 1 to 2 and 1 to 2, but just written in 2 different ways that would be acceptable to me. This question is also required. And that's it. That's how we do short answer. There's a little bit more, but as we go on, I'll show you some other things. But that's basically it on how to add this type of short answer question. Okay, bye everybody. Each one teach one.